Hello.
We are fixing to see Jennifer work her magic.
Hey, I'm Jennifer with Jam Designs.
And I'm Candy with Candy Creations. Like just get this like that.
You need a flat surface.
That's what we use you for.
She was going to use you for a flat surface.
Yep, that's exactly what I was going to tell you.
Look at
Great minds think
just
alike.
See?
Yeah.
Wow.
So y'all, we just glued that stem to that cross. And now we just covered the glue with the...
See, it matched
with
too.
the moss.
I like this moss.
That's a pretty color of moss.
Mm-hmm.
Very
I've never
pretty.
seen that before. It looks.
I haven't seen this color
It looks
before
really
either.
realistic.
It does, don't it? Look like it came out of one of our Georgia trees. I always like to have a vision, y'all. I was out there playing in this stash, famous stash.
First, we were looking for a vase.
Had to find a base. We found me a base. And then seen this cross. Like, yes. Well, Katie did actually. And I said, yes. So I have to have a vision, just like Jordan was saying earlier, he does too. I have to. I can't function without a vision. Just ain't gonna happen. So when I seen this cross, I'm like, okay. So imagine, you're going down the road, just like we did yesterday. You're riding down the road, you see a cross out there by church. It's getting close to Easter. People put it out by their church, by the fields. And you got all kind of greenery and stuff growing up. So we next to the church. Get your vision now, because that's what I do. And then here's my church. My sign, which we're going to go about right here, because I don't want him.
That's perfect.
Fabulous. Perfect. Okay. So now I got my cross. This is a beautiful magnolia.
That's what I've always told people. I was like, if anybody chooses pretty magnolias, it's Deco Exchange.
Sunflowers and magnolias. I'd rather stay with one.
Yep.
I had 3 cases.
Oh,
Does he have what?
Okay.
3 cases
For himself.
I'm going to bring you.
You can cut it apart.
It says FW0019 and it's a white tag.
running through the warehouse when you turn the lights out on me.
Oh, yeah, I did do that.
Isn't that so pretty?
I love it already.
So pretty. I don't know if they can see. Right.
Yep, you can just turn it around. Oh, it does look pretty.
Look how he's climbing up there.
I love that.
We're going to group them. They got the 2 types of trees growing. Okay. Now let's go with
We've
some
been good
greenery.
supervisors, huh?
Let's green up our base. I hear me and Jordan saying the same stuff all the time.
Yep. Gotta green our base.
Gotta green that base. Because look at this one. You got a fern. You got some. What else you got on here? Look at there. I love that.
That's gorgeous. I love it.
I think I'm going to leave this mostly whole. So, oh, y'all see how that's just popping in there?
That's
Isn't
beautiful.
that adorable?
That's so pretty. That's exactly how I thought that you would turn it out, like how you would place it all.
Y'all can't tell me. I mean, I got more to go, but when you walking in the woods, you can't tell me you don't see little sprigs of all these little things at the bottom.
Yep.
It's exactly what you would see. I love it. I need me some of that, but if I place the order right now, my mom would probably kill me. But I sure need me some of that. That's got everything you need.
And I like using white, especially for something like this, because it's just a really pure, pretty color. Especially when you've got a cross, something religious. White just really makes look
Absolutely
really pretty and pure.
We gotta add a little pop of something in here, though. Should I add these?
I don't know.
I know. Kind of take away in it.
I like that one better.
I like this one a lot. A lot. We got to put this in there, y'all.
That sauce is handmade.
Yes. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty.
Yep.
That is one of the bushes from Michael's. I used it in something, but I
Just
saw
that
it. They
light
do have
popping
it
out
this
of
year.
there.
That's from Michael's. I love
Y'all
that.
look, just that one piece right there, how it just changed the whole thing. Oh, Lord.
She's taking the whole mat and everything.
Me and this table. You can get 3 pieces off of that.
Yeah, a piece of white linen would be pretty cross.
Can you read the cross, Jennifer, to everybody?
He is risen. Gorgeous.
It does. It looks really pretty. So y'all, the cross definitely was handmade by somebody. I don't know who it was, but we found it in Damon's stash. So
What you been doing over there? Working?
Just need some more greenery right there. I mean some
some moss.
yeah. That's what her name's right there. Because that moss will cover that more.
Yeah.
Right in there. It's not gonna stick nothing right there. I just take this glue, this moss, shove in there like that.
Yep.
Even back here. Just have to glue it. How does it look from that way, girls?
That looks beautiful.
Gorgeous.
It's great.
I'm no girl, but it looks beautiful.
My handsome fella. It's so sweet. Okay. Thank you. There we go. What y'all think?
Yay!
I think it's gorgeous.
There we go.